Good morning, girls. Welcome to our English class. Today I would like to tell you about the discourses. As you all know, we have two types of discourses. One is major discourse and another is minor. In the minor discourses, let me discuss our notice writing today. Okay, so it is one of the minor discourse. As you all know, these minor discourses are for 5 marks. Okay, so in this minor discourses, we are going to know about notice. How to write the notice, we are going to see. Okay, so what actually the notice is? Notice is a formal means of communication. Okay, formally when you wanted to communicate with a group of people, you pass a notice in the form of a display or in the form of an announcement. Okay, so generally where we can see this formal means of communication, we will come across this formal means of communications in the offices and in the schools, in the government sectors, okay, where the official deals will go ahead. Okay, so when we see the schools giving the notice out, they display it on the boards. As you might have seen in our school also, a number of notices were displayed. For displaying the notice, they generally go for the notice board. And if the government want to display something or announce something, those kind of notices we will see in the newspaper. Okay, so we have a particular format to write the notice. What the notice is, let us see. Okay, so first thing you must keep in your mind is, notice always should be drafted in a box. Okay, so we don't know how much the notice will take the place, right? So 3 sides margin is mandatory to write the notice. Okay, this is the first thing you need to keep in your mind. Draw the 3 sides margin first, make a box, okay, and then you need to write the name of the issuing authority. That means who is passing the notice. That name, that title you need to mention. Okay, for example, take our school. The school is issuing the notice to the students. About what? About the science fair. Okay, that particular date is given to conduct the science fair, and this information we wanted to pass to the student. Now, how will we write? First we will write, what is our school's name? We will mention that in the capital letters. Okay, TSRS Girls. Where it is located? Hotike, Zahirabad. Okay, I am writing it is short because the place is not that spaceful to complete. Okay, now you have given the name of the issuing authority, you have written here. Now next, the person who is reading the notice must understand what it is, so that is why you will write again in the capital letters, it is a notice. Okay, that too in between, in the middle of the box you need to write this notice. Okay, and then you have written the name of the issuing authority, and you have in the second line you have written the notice. Now about what you are writing the notice, that subject should be there. Now that subject you are going to give here in the third line. Okay, you need to write about what? About what you are writing the notice? You are writing the notice about the science fair, so mention that. Okay, that too should be in capital letters. Okay, name of the issuing authority, notice, and science fair. So this is name of the issuing authority, notice you have written, this is the subject. Did you get this 3 points, girls? Yes. Now you have written this notice, right? In this line, in the second line itself, towards the left, you need to mention the date. Okay, not towards the third line. It is towards the second line itself. What is the date today? It is 17th. Okay, 17th October 2020. Okay, now this 4 points we have got in 3 lines, right? This is the introduction part you have given. Like, to make understand what it is and from where it is issued and on which date it is issued. Okay. Now, you write the complete content of the notice in a single paragraph. You can write in 2 paragraphs, but single para is okay. Now, you are writing here. You are starting the body of the notice saying it is to inform all the students of TSRS Girls Hoti Ke Zahirabad that on today is 17th, right? Say it is on 27th October. This is only for example, girls. Okay, on 27th 2020. What we have written, it is to inform all the students of TSRS Girls Hoti Ke Zahirabad that on 27th October 2020 science fair is going to be held. Hence, you are requested to practice different experiments in the guidance of teacher. Okay. So, this is the notice which is said to you, announced to you in the form of a notice. Okay. So, after completion, you have to write the name of the person who has issued the notice. Who has issued this? This is issued by our principal ma'am. So, the signature of the principal ma'am will come here, and then the name of the principal ma'am, and then her designation as a principal. So, here madam will sign. First remember, first thing is sign, then the name, and then the designation. So, name should always be in the capital letters and that too in the parenthesis. Then there ends your notice completely. Okay girls, this is the format of writing the notice. Thank you all.